Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Tainted Grail the Fall of Avalon not launching or running on Steam or just stuck on a black screen. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and just make your way over to Steam and then go over to Library. From Library, go over to Tainted Grail, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once that is done verifying, you can X out of Steam, and that is the first method in order to fix this error code. The second thing you guys can do is go over to the search bar and type in Device Manager. And why you want to do this, because you want to go over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Now this will basically update your drivers, and another way of doing this is by using the NVIDIA app directly and then just going over to drivers and then updating it from here as well. Now what you can also do is, if you are on AMD, just use the AMD equivalent app, or what you can also do is in-game. So from like in-game, if let's just say the game does launch but it doesn't or after 5 minutes it crashes, what you can do is go ahead and just turn down your settings. So go ahead and just make everything set to low or medium, because there's a possibility that your PC cannot handle high, so you can go ahead and do that. Now once you do all of these methods, I also recommend restarting your PC and you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.